Hello traders and investors. I am R. Harish, SEBI registered research analyst. We are conducting a momentum intraday mastery program. This video is an explanation of what are the features covered in this course. We are providing two stock selection methods in this course. One is chart based. We are providing a custom indicator as a companion to this course. In that we have created an unique volatility based concept. As volatility is a best friend of intraday trader, we are selecting stocks based on that volatility concept and create a watch list and trade on that. And the next method is web based method, which is regularly used by most of the traders, like selecting the top gainers or losers, open interest spurts, volume shockers, etc. We have also given the best dashboard as on today for identifying the best stocks of that trading day. And we have also provided two entry types in this strategy. One is 1 minute momentum reversal method and another one is 5-minute momentum breakout method. Both the strategy is based on momentum concept. So since this is a momentum concept, we are entering in the trend direction. We have created two different indicators for both the time frames. For 1 minute we have created a set of indicators, and for 5 minutes we have created a set of indicators, and for stock selection also we have created a message box, and combining all this we have created a customized indicator for this course. So the entire course is process oriented and rule based execution. We have given clear trade and risk management in this course. We have defined how to define a per day risk, per trade risk, and how to position size our trades, and how to keep best risk reward, and also clearly explained proper entry, exit and trailing stop loss for all the two strategies. This is the 1 minute momentum reversal method. Here you have created a trend cloud to establish the trend direction, and we have created this blue triangle and red triangle, which is the pullback and the momentum reversal. After a pullback, when the price is moving in the same direction, when the momentum is picking in the same direction, this triangle signal will show. So that based on the trend direction, after the pullback, when the momentum is regaining on the same direction, we will enter with a minimum risk, and we will trial this using this cloud and capture the maximum momentum move. Since this is a 1 minute time frame and the stop loss is very limited, the risk reward automatically increases, so that in an intraday trade we can win easily using the mathematics of risk reward, position sizing and trade management. The next strategy, the 5-minute strategy, is momentum breakout strategy. Here we have established another separate parameter. We have created a trend cloud, which is a green cloud and an orange cloud, and for identifying the momentum we have created a blue triangle and red triangle. So here we are combining the higher time frame momentum, trend direction and a breakout of a pivotal high, so that we can keep a one single candle stop loss and easily increase the risk reward of every trade. Here also we have given trailing stop loss method and trend exit method, initial stop loss, everything was clearly defined in this course. For having a first hand experience of this indicator, these two indicators, which is called as momentum intraday indicator, which we give in trading view version, you can use this in free version also. So this indicator will be given as a complement with this course. Based on this indicator only we are going to execute our trades. So we are giving 3 days trial for this indicator. You can check the indicators. All the indicators are non-repeating, so you can check the indicators, live test, back test. You can use bar replay and check everything, and then once you are satisfied you can join the course. Otherwise, if you want further more usage, if you want to check more, you can get an 1 month access of this indicator for a minimal charge. This is a one-time opportunity, because you have to get a full experience of the indicator, usability of the indicator, so that we are extending this offer. So initially you can take 3 days trial. If you are satisfied in the trial period itself, you can straight away join the course. If you want further to research the system, you can get a 1 month access, but for a minimal charge. After that 1 month, you have to either join the course. Okay, for this 1 month we are charging a minimum fees. We are confident about the system and the indicator. That's why we are openly providing the access to you. It is your part to check it thoroughly and confirm its efficiency and then join. Once you join, we will give an elaborate course video which is more than 1.5 hours and also lifetime access of this particular indicator to you. So if you want trial access or full access to the course and the indicator, and if you want more details about our other premium services and courses, kindly contact us at this number on the given working hours. Feel free to contact us, clarify your doubts and then join. Thank you.